Hello. So our ML model is being implemented in a demo app, and this is a folder for the demo app. We extract this folder here. Now after extracting, we can see there are 4 files inside this demo folder: app, and this create Streamlit app for and model.pkl, scalar.pkl. So these are the 4 files that we will use to create an app in which we can test our ML model. So first of all, we will go to the Google Chrome and we open Google's Colab. In the Google Scholar Laboratory Colab, we will upload one of the files first, which is this create Streamlit app. We are going to open this file into the Google Scholar Laboratory, and the rest of the files, this app, model, and scalar.pkl, we will simply upload them to the Google Scholar app. So first of all, in this one, let me open the notebook from my browser. Okay, so cancel upload notebook. So to upload a notebook, we will have to sign in. I will sign in using my Gmail account. So now I can easily upload the notebook. So the notebook, on the desktop we have the demo. Inside the demo we have this create Streamlit app file that we will open. So this is the file that we need to open. So before doing anything else, first of all we will click here, and then we will we wait for this to refresh, and then we can click here, then click here, right click. It will now it will show us the option to upload. We will upload the remaining files, which are app, model.pkl, and scalar.pkl. We already have opened this create Streamlit app. Now we just simply upload app, model.pkl, and scalar.pkl. Okay, so we are going to upload them here. These files have been uploaded here. So first of all, we are going to run this command by clicking here. And remember, sometimes we may see a restart button at the end, on which we will have to click sometimes. So we wait for this one to finish. It may give us a restart kernel option. Okay, so it has given us to restart runtime. We just click once to restart, so that the latest version that just installed could take effect. And sometimes you may not see this restart runtime button, so that is okay. So we don't need to run this one again. Now we come here, we click here to run this one. After this, we can see this one is showing that it has it is completed. Now we come here, click this one to run. Now we come to run this one. Now we come to run this one. Now this is the last thing that we are going to run. And remember, after running this one, we have to click on this link. So first I will click here. Now this thing has started executing. I just need to click on this link, and it will open Streamlit app for us, where we can select the weather, season. So it is in front of us now. So default is the weather that is selected is spring, sunny, and the season is spring temperature. Okay, let's change it. Like maybe we select a cloudy weather and the temperature is somewhere around this. So okay, what if the weather is partly cloudy? Okay, and we change the weather to summer maybe, and summer and partly cloudy. What will happen if the temperature increases. So we see maybe when the temperature is higher, we have less recommended activities with partly higher and partly cloudy, and if we say that it is not partly cloudy, it's rainy, so even less. So we just wait for it to update the file. So this is how we can just make the possibilities of the possible weathers and temperatures and some season, just to see the list of recommended activities against them. So that is how we can test it.